Today we're going to learn how to make a paper pinwheel. For this project you will need a safety pin, some pencils, scissors, and a piece of paper. It can be a colored piece or a white piece, whatever you desire. We need to turn this rectangle paper into a square, so we're going to do the same thing that we did in our origami bookmarks, where we take the corner up to the left side and hold it and fold it. I'm going to draw a line at the top to tell me where to cut off my excess paper. And then I'm going to do that. Cut off the extra paper. It should leave your paper now into a square. Using something round like a jar or even a quarter, you're going to find the center of your square by putting that circle object into the center of your paper, and you're going to trace it, leaving a little circle in the middle of your paper. It may help if you go ahead and fold the other side to make a big X in the middle with some folds. You might want to go ahead and do that if you haven't. That way it's got a circle and then an X going through the circle. We're going to take our pencil and draw some dotted lines going from the corner of our paper to our circle. Once we get to the circle, you need to stop. Using our scissors, we're going to cut on the dotted line, but once we get to our circle that we traced, we're going to stop cutting. So you tell me when to stop. Stop. Good job. You're going to go ahead and do that to all 4 lines. Now, we've kind of made some triangles, and in each triangle we are going to try to do a different pattern using whatever art supplies that you want. For this one, I'm going to do lines, I might do polka dots, I might do swirls, I might even do stars. Go ahead and decorate each little triangle section with some markers or some crayons or whatever art supply you have. This next part might be a little bit tricky, so I'm going to be using a pencil to mark every other corner on my paper. You can see I'm going to start on this side, then I'm going to skip one and go to the next one. So I'm going to start here, make a little X, skip a corner, go to the next, skip. It should be every other corner, and those are the ones that you're going to tape down in the middle of your circle. If it looks weird, you probably grabbed the wrong corner. So make sure it looks like a pinwheel, and then you can start taping. This next part is going to require a straight pin or a safety pin and an adult's help. You're going to have the adult in your house poke your safety pin through all of your corners and tape, and then you can push it through a pencil eraser or a dowel rod if you have one. If you don't want to do this part, you can totally skip it, and you can just have a pinwheel to hang up. But if you are trying this part, make sure you're really careful because this is a pointed end or a needle. You're just going to poke it enough in to where the point is not all the way through the eraser and that your pinwheel will spin. Again, you do not have to do this part. If you want to though, please ask for permission or help. Have fun!